Hello students, welcome to our coaching classes. So today we'll discuss about class 10 CBSE science syllabus which has been revised for the year 2020-21. So this is a simple and easy explanation so that you can follow it very clearly and use it for your preparation. So as you all know that roughly 30% part from your syllabus has been deleted and now you have to study for 70% of your syllabus, which is a good thing. So let us try to understand now. So here is the summary. Class 10 Science CBSE Academic Year 2020-21. So chapter number 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Nothing has been deleted, so you have to study this entire chapter. Same is for chapter number 2, that is Acids, Bases and Salts. Nothing is deleted, so you have to study this entire chapter. Chapter number 3, however, that is metals and non-metals, you need to study from page number 37 to page number 49. So whatever topics are covered in these pages, that you have to study. Rest of the topics like basic metallurgical processes, what is corrosion and prevention of corrosion, these topics have been removed from your syllabus. Now, chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. In this, you have to study from page number 59 to page number 67. Okay, rest of the topics like nomenclature of carbon compounds based on functional groups, ethanoic acid, ethanol, their properties, etc. All these things have been removed from this chapter. So this chapter has become very easy now. Next one, chapter number 5 is periodic classification of elements. There is no deletion. So you have to study this chapter completely. This is very important chapter as far as class 11 and 12th is considered. So the basics of this periodic classification of elements you have to be very clear in class 10. Okay. Now chapter number 6, life processes. There is no deletion in this chapter. So you have to study this chapter completely. Now we come to chapter number 7, control and coordination. So entire chapter has been deleted. So you need not study it for your final examination. Chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce? There is no deletion. So you have to study this entire chapter, okay, for your final examination. Chapter number 9, heredity and evolution. In this, you have to study from page number 142 to page number 147. So whatever topics that are covered in these pages that you have to study. Rest of the topics like basics of evolution have been deleted from your syllabus. Then chapter number 10, again very important chapter, light, reflection and refraction. So there is no deletion from this chapter. You have to study it completely. It is also useful for your class 11 and 12 science stream. Then chapter number 11, the human eye and the colorful world. In this, you have to study from page number 191 to 197. Rest of the topics which were included in the beginning of this chapter, basically the human eye and defects related to it, those have been removed along with their corrections. So the human eye part from this chapter is removed and now you have to study for the colorful world. Okay. Now, chapter number 12, electricity. There is no deletion, so you have to study this chapter completely. Chapter number 13, magnetic effects of electric current. You have to study from page number 223 to page number 235. Rest of the topics, which includes construction and working of DC generator and domestic circuit. Okay, construction of domestic circuit, that is deleted from this chapter. Chapter number 14, sources of energy. This complete chapter has been deleted, so you need not study it for your final examination. Chapter number 15, our environment. There is no deletion, so you have to study it completely for your examination. Chapter number 16, sustainable management of natural resources. It will be assessed in internal assessment. Okay, so you have to study this chapter completely. All right, so I hope this was useful. So I wish that all of the students should say after their results are declared that I scored great despite of all the adversities that we had to face in this year. So for this, please make a timetable, follow it, and solve as many question answers as possible. So this will help you in long run. I hope this was useful. Please share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.